Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unbox review and setup on my new arcade game console. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. It's gonna take a look at it. Man, these Pandora Box consoles are pretty sweet. I haven't had one this size. Let's check it out. HDMI. It's an HDMI to VGA. Just a USB to USB cable, the user guide, and then it looks like some of the accessories for it. Oh wow. And then the actual console itself, check that out. Check this out back here. Very, very cool. And then it did come with the power cable for it as well. So go ahead and install these. We'll start by putting these first, right on there. Just lay it on, and then screw this there. All right, and then we'll do the same with over here. We'll put this first, and then we'll screw this part in. All right, now it's ready to go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually turn it on back here. All right, so one of the things I wanted to show back here is you do have your power switch right here, the volume, some settings. You connect some remotes to here, your internet directly to here. Here's where I put my HDMI and control some of the volume. I'm not exactly sure what this one's for, but you are able to attach your audio here as well. So let's go ahead and actually try it out. As you can see, the color's very, very cool. I ended up hooking it up to our 55-inch TV just so you could see it a little better. As you can see, very responsive. So I'll just kind of scroll through some of the games. As you can see, it's got thousands and thousands of games that you can actually play. Like I said, this was plug and play. You still are able to download more if you so choose to. But I mean, you'll be on here for quite a bit just with what already comes on here. What I do like, it is 2 players as well. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and actually try it out. As you can see, the graphics look pretty good. Boom, just like that. Alright, so as you guys see the actual gameplay, let's talk about what the system actually delivers. First off, you're getting over 36,000 games preloaded. That includes everything from the classic arcade games to retro console hits as well. The library is massive, but it's not overwhelming thanks to the built-in search function and favorite list. Once you find games you love, you can save them for quick access without digging every time. The display output is 1280 by 720, which gives you smooth 720p HD resolution. Whether you're plugged into a TV, PC monitor, or a projector, the visuals stay crisp and it doesn't stretch or blur out like older systems sometimes do. What you're seeing right now is the native output, nothing tweaked. One of the most useful things built into the system is a save load feature. If you're in the middle of a boss fight or want to pause a long arcade run, you can save your state, walk away, and come right back later. It also lets you pause any game mid-session, which is a big improvement over the original arcade machines where once you started, you were kind of locked in. Another underrated feature is the ability to hide games. So if you're setting this up for a younger player or just want to clean up the menu, you can take titles off the list without deleting them permanently. It keeps things organized, especially with tens of thousands of titles on board. The overall system is powered by Pandora's Box 88S, which is one of the newer arcade boards out. Alright, so there you guys have, as you can see, get a lot of great titles on here. So if you guys are trying to get into like these Pandora boxes, definitely this is a good starter one. Like I said, when I did put the 2-player, there was a couple spots where it did glitch out a little bit, but when I played Tekken on one player, that one was fine. When I played the Grand Theft Auto, that one was okay. I just didn't spend enough time trying to learn the controllers, but as you can see, when it was playing the video and all that, it worked just fine. So if you guys are looking for a new arcade game console, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours.